Welcome back, professional Amazon sellers. I'll give you the answer from the lesson 1. According to my general rule of thumb, if you allocate $50 daily budget for a campaign, you may target a keyword with a search volume of 8,000 times a month on Helium 10's data. Remember, depending on the tools that you use, the data could be different, and this is just a general guide. Some type of number is always better than nothing or ambiguous answers such as appropriate amount, right? So just take this as a rule of thumb. It's not a fact. Just keep that in mind. Today, I'm going to teach you secrets on things that Amazon never reveal about their PPC algorithm that leads you to waste your money. On lesson 1, we learned that we should mine keywords with the right size of search volume using a keyword research tool instead of running auto campaigns first. Now you have the target keywords if you did the research job, right? In this lesson, I'll show you how to set up your campaigns for the best utilization of your money. Have you wondered how come certain campaigns, ad groups, keywords are spending like crazy when other campaigns, ad groups, keywords are not running at all or not generating enough impression? Let me demystify this problem for you. First, you need to understand the concept of portfolio, campaign, ad group, and targeting keywords. Portfolio consists of campaigns. A campaign consists of ad groups. An ad group then consists of targeting keywords. What's the trap here? It makes you think that, oh, I should have multiple campaigns in a portfolio, or oh, I should have multiple ad groups in a campaign, or I should have multiple keywords in an ad group for a better organization. This is wrong. The pitfall is that Amazon makes a certain campaign to use up all of your budget allocated on the portfolio. Amazon makes a certain ad group to use up most or all of your budget assigned on the campaign. Amazon makes a certain keyword to use up most or all of your budget allocated on the ad group. Amazon wants your PPC campaigns to stop running. You might be thinking Amazon wants you to run more campaigns and use up more money, but Amazon actually wants your PPC to stop because they're seeing in the long run. Amazon wants your PPC to stop because of this reason, out of the budget. When you see this, you're going to bring up your budget. So Amazon is pushing you to spend more in the long run. If a keyword in an ad group has bigger search volume than other keywords, it is easier for Amazon to show your products to more people and get more clicks, which is the money for Amazon. Amazon doesn't care whether the click you paid for converts to your sales or not. This is why you get a bunch of impressions, but low sales and high aid costs. I give you the solution. One campaign equals one ad group, and one ad group equals one keyword. One keyword equals one type. Type means broad, phrase, exact. Definitely, I assume you know. So depending on your situation, one portfolio may have multiple campaigns. I personally find less hindrance caused by portfolio budget. So portfolio budget is fine. For example, if you have only one or few SKUs, make a portfolio for an auto campaign, then set its budget. So you keep your auto and manual separate. So in other words, make a portfolios for your manual target keywords. So for target number 1 keyword, make a portfolio, and remember, 1 campaign, 1 ads group, and 1 keyword and 1 type. One of the 3, broad, phrase, and or exact. So you have 1 auto campaign portfolio, and you have multiple manual campaigns. Each campaign has 1 keyword in it. So in each portfolio has 1 keyword in it, 1 campaign, 1 ad group, 1 keyword. So everything's just 1. So you can compare all the data without going into clicking through ad groups, keywords. So this way, it helps you not to learn how to look at the bulk PPC data, since the master panel that you see on the Seller Central advertising is everything. In the same portfolio, you can try targeting the number 1 keyword in a different type. This is going to give you a much detailed control over the placement, bidding strategy, and bid adjustment per keyword. If either you or team don't have a full control over a specific keyword with a specific type, you cannot compete with your competitors. They may have a team looking over individual keywords and trying to optimize it. So if you're worried about either overspending or underspending the budget, you need to try it this way. The outdated tactics teach you that you have to mine hundreds of keywords all the time and switch them around for lucky sales. Time has changed. It is time to select and focus. Do a thorough research on the keyword, select the right target search volume, effectively manage your budget, and get ranked on the target keyword. Stop switching around the keywords. That's it. Thank you.